Come test drive the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.